Ever wondered how that stack of paper on your desk started its life as a tree? Let's dive into the fascinating journey from wood to paper. It all begins in the forest, where harvested trees, mostly softwoods like pine and spruce, are brought to the factory. First, the logs are debarked and chopped into small wood chips. These chips are then cooked in a huge pressure cooker with chemicals to break them down into a soupy mixture called pulp. This process separates the wood fibers, which are the key ingredient for paper. Next, this pulp is washed, bleached to get that bright white color, and mixed with a lot of water. This watery fiber solution is sprayed onto a massive, fast-moving screen. As the water drains away, the fibers lock together, forming a delicate mat. This mat is pressed between giant rollers to squeeze out more water and then dried, resulting in a giant roll of paper. Finally, it's cut to size, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. This transformation highlights the value of natural recourses. For more informative product journey. Like and subscribe to From Raw to Ready Lab.